Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BYDALESMITH, as you already know, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and watch all my previous videos. Today's video is going to be a brow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you the new technique I used to draw my brows, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So without further ado, let's get straight to this video. First things first is I'm going to be brushing my brows with this spoolie. I'm just going to do that real quick and like this. Just go onto the second one and brush that up too. And now I'm just going to go in with my setting powder and dab some of that into my brow. So this is it, like this, and that's it. So now that the setting powder is on my brows, I'm just going to go in with this pencil, which is David's pencil. I'm going to outline my brows just the way I usually do. Just look at that now, and we're going in, just lining it just the same way you would line your brows. Ignore the fact that the powder is going to busting off. Just keep drawing. So I've gotten my first line, and I'm going to go ahead to draw the other one. The outline of my brows, which is what you're looking at right now, I'm going in with this pencil from beautylinebydidi to draw my strokes. So this is what it looks like right now. I've outlined the upper and lower bottom, and I've gotten my strokes out. This side looks a bit messy because I think I have like a lot of setting powder on this side. To correct that, I'm just going to be using my spoolie to dust some of the setting powder off. This is practically everything. You can just dust off the excess setting powder, or you can go in with your concealer, whatever the case is, however you want it to be. Right now I'm going to go in with my concealer to highlight and make it neater. Front area of my brows, which is this side and this side, I'm going to be going in with my foundation shade just to make it very neat. So guys, I find this technique very useful because, one, if you have sparse brow hair and you want it to appear fuller, you can use this technique. You can do as many strokes as you want. Secondly, it is easier to just outline your brows because you already have like a dry surface, which is what the setting powder is giving you. You have like a dry surface that you can draw your lines and use your pencil on. Then thirdly is the fact that you can do this and not conceal. Like if you do it neatly and you dust off the excess setting powder, you can go with your brows like that, and you do not have to use concealers, whatever it is that you use to outline or make your brows look neater. Please do try this technique and let me know how it came out, if it worked for you, what you found different from your normal brow technique. So I'm just going to go over now and dust off the excess setting powder, of course, and then I'll be back with my full glam done. So do not go anywhere, stay put. So guys, this is the final look. This is what it looks like, and this is what my brows are like. I really love this technique. It's beautiful. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this whole video, and do not forget to watch my previous video on how to draw your brows. Like, there are a lot of brow techniques there. Do not forget to subscribe, like, turn on your post notifications, and drop a comment. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.